the problem. A particle is moving with a uniform speed in a circular orbit of radius r in a central force inversely proportional to the nth power of r. If the period of the rotation of the particle is t, then now वाला पूछा है, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट। So concept is this: whenever a particle is moving in a circular motion with the speed of v, radius is equal to r, if there is a central force Fc, then we can write equation Fc is equal to m omega square r, ठीक है। So now in this problem, given that Fc is inversely proportional to r की power n, ठीक है। So to remove the constant, we can write Fc is equal to k r to the power n, and from this equation we can write Fc is equal to m omega square r. Here in this Fc is given this, so k r की power n is equal to m omega square r. So we can write k r की power n plus 1 is equal to m omega square, and we know that omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So what will be happen now? So basically 1 upon r की power n plus 1 directly proportional to 1 by t square. So here we can write t square is directly proportional to r की power n plus 1. So t will be r की power n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. So let us match the option. पहला नहीं है, दूसरा नहीं है, थर्ड है, फोर्थ नहीं है। थैंक यू बच्चा।